A circle has the equation x squared plus y squared plus 10y minus 8x plus 5 is equal to 0. We have x squared plus y squared plus 10y minus 8x plus 5 is equal to 0. We must first of all arrange the quadratic equations according to like terms, which we are going to have x squared minus 8x plus y squared plus 10y plus 5 is equal to 0. To complete the square, we must take the value of 5 to the right hand side, so that to the left hand side we are only remaining with the quadratic equations without c. So we're going to have x squared minus 8x plus y squared plus 10y is equal to negative 5. To complete squares for all the two quadratic equations, we're going to say that c is equal to b over 2 squared, which therefore means to complete squares for x, you're going to have x squared minus 8x plus b over 2, b of x is negative 8 over 2 squared. I have completed the square for x. I go on and complete the square for y, which will be y squared plus 10y plus the value of b of y is 10. So I write 10 over 2 squared is equal to negative 5. Whatever we added on the left hand side, we must also add it to the right hand side. So this one will also be plus negative 8 over 2 squared plus 10 over 2 squared. Whatever is added to the right must also be added to the left. Then we collect the terms of the squares. The left hand side, we're going to have x minus 8 over 2 squared, because we have minus, plus y plus 10 over 2 squared is equal to, when we simplify the right hand side completely, we are getting 36. So we are going to have x minus 8 over 2 is the same as 4 squared plus y plus 10 over 2 is the same as 5 squared is equal to 36. Then we compare our equation to the general equation of a circle. The general equation of a circle states that x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equal to r squared. So we look at the values of a in both the cases and equate them so that we get the real value of a. So for the first one, we have negative a is equal to negative 4. This means that a is equal to 4. For the second one, we have negative b is equal to positive 5, meaning that b is equal to negative 5. So the center of the circle is given by a, b, and the center therefore is 4, negative 5. The radius of the circle will be given by radius squared is equal to 36, meaning that radius alone is equal to the square root of 36, which is 6 units.